this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow Slack to connect with other apps in your workspace. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you are unable to connect your Slack workspace with other apps, then it means that this feature has been disabled. To enable it, just go over to your Slack account and then head over to this Slack workspace name. Down below it, go to Preferences, and under this, look for this option called Connected Accounts. Now, if you click on Connected Accounts, scroll down until you see Links and Content from Other Apps option, and down below here you can see we have this option, Allow Slack to connect with other apps, is disabled. Now, this is the reason why you couldn't connect apps with Slack. So to enable this, go ahead and check on this box, and from now you'll be able to connect Slack with other apps. So that's how you can connect other apps with Slack, by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.